we're in the middle of the Peak District.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Blimey, that would be scary.
Today, Monsal Trail. Start here in Monsal Dale, on top of Monsal Head, so you can see it down there. As you can see the bridge where the railway used to be. So we're going to walk just down into the valley. There's a weir just down in the valley, so we're going to go down to the weir, have a look at the weir, cross over, and then come back around, pick up the Monsal Trail, which goes all the way through there, through the valley. And as it's going through the valley, there's a few things along the way, like old kilns and stuff like that. And then we're going to go down to Chee Dale Stepping Stones, circle around there and come back. So a nice short winter hike.
Super.
So if you want to do this trail, follow signs for...
Sorry.
If you want to do this trail, follow the first signs for Monsal Dale Weir. What you got there, Chief?
What can you say? Wow.
Welcome to Monsal Dale.
Wow. I remember seeing them in Dovedale.
A bit muddy down here.
Oh, please keep the dog on short lead. Come here.
Hilarious. Now we're coming up here and we're going to connect to the Monsal Trail. The first tunnel, Crestbrook Tunnel. Snack break. Lytton Tunnel. We're at a point in this tunnel where you can't see the exit on either end because it's slowly curving. Spooky. There's like an old warehouse. Probably part of the mill or something. I should do my research on that really. We just came off the Monsal Trail a little bit because we saw this bridge. And there's a little nature reserve up here, which I didn't realise. Priest Cliff Lee's Nature Reserve. I don't think this bridge goes anywhere, does it? Other than back down to the Monsal Trail. Oh no, there's some sort of path down there, look.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. I think it must go down to the bottom of the valley, maybe?
Maybe.
Interesting. Anyway. Onwards. Explaining how they cut it away.
Lava.
Oh. We found a bench, so a cup of tea and a biscuit.
Wow.
I spy my little eye some caves over there. We'll be examining that on the way back, you know what I'm saying? They're restoring a bridge here, or one of the bridges. Good. Another sign. The ravines. Shows you all the different ones in the Peak District. That's our good old favourite, Dovedale. There's Lough Kildale where we did a camp, an overnight hike, and this is where we are now.
And they're restoring some of the woodland.
Ah, yeah, we saw that earlier on, didn't we?
Yeah.
Cool. Coffee time. There's a nice little cafe along the Monsal Trail.
Yeah. We've been strong not to get any sweets.
Yeah, we have sandwiches, so we'll have them. I like the artwork. I don't know about that. Chickens there.
We might have to stand. Is it too big or?
That's what she said. Oh yeah.
Same way.
Oh look, people are parking here and coming into the cafe. We are, yes. We are coming back the same way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Why?
For the facilities.
Yes.
After all that drink.
It was a nice little cafe actually. They had loads of it looked like homemade sausage rolls.
Oh.
Next time. But we got our refill, our boost of energy.
Yeah, coffee.
Let's go. We were saying if we had the money we'd buy this place. So cool. It looks like it's the old railway station. What you found?
Train collected local milk from Millersdale
Which is just up ahead.
and transported all over the country.
Wow. We've just come off the trail to have a look at the lime kilns from the top. So we're just going to head up here with our fancy coffees and have a gander. You all right back there? Well, that's interesting. Maybe the kilns are below us. We're just at the top there. Let's go have a look. Oh, there's a sign here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's explaining. Yeah, we were right. So a hole in the top, and they pour it in.
The rocks. Or what?
So they alternate layers of limestone and coal loaded in from the top of the kiln. Let's see if there's any of those in there. You're not coming in? Ah, why have people always got to leave so much rubbish? Wow. It's huge. I'm not going any further because that water looks disgusting.
The green mossy tree.
The mossy trees, yeah.
And what do you do? Just go down?
Yeah, they just
Wow.
get down on a rope.
Wow. Blimey. That would be scary.
I would definitely not be doing that. We're making a bit of a detour, so you could call us a cheetour. Coming off here. Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah, should we take the shortcut?
Yeah, you can if you want. Begging your pardon.
That's alright. Stepping stones.
Stepping stones. This is cool. It's cool because there's been loads of water from all the rain recently, so it makes it more rapid. Yeah, it's really pretty down here. Oh yeah, this is cooler than Dovedale. We love Dovedale, but this is cooler. Very busy though, just like Dovedale. But you can see why. Very cool valley. slippy. I love this sort of landscape. Mossy forest, the nice stream. Had an absolute nightmare, didn't it? Nasty storm. Rocks are probably going to be super slippy. Oh yeah, it's like on ice. You can see how they've all been worn down by lots of use. Right. How are you, mate?
Good. That's been exciting.
That's been nice. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, it's very beautiful here. I'd heard about the Chee Dale Stepping Stones, and I'd seen I saw pictures of them, and I thought, oh yeah, that's nice, a bit like Dovedale. But actually, the area around here, Chee Dale area, is really beautiful. We've had so much rain, the water's just coming out of the ground. There's nothing there. There's a stream over there, but not here. Look at it all. It's coming from here as well, in the rocks. Look at all the algae or whatever it is underneath. Good. Just over there. So maybe we could zoom it in. That was a great zoom. So we changed the camera battery and he's still there. Been watching us the whole time. Do you know what these are?
I know the name in Romanian, I don't know.
What's it in Romanian?
It's made by that animal.
Yeah, with the no eyes.
Cârtiță.
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 Yes.
We call it a mole. On our way back to the cafe. Right, next stop.
Toilets.
Toilets, cafe, and then sandwich.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Lunch done. Refueled. It's quietening down now.
It's getting dark.
It is getting dark actually.
Colder.
It's weird because it's only 2:30, but it feels like it's
not 3:30.
6 p.m. No, 2:30.
Oh, 2:30.
Well, 2:45 now. It would have been nice to get down there. I was hoping we could get down there, but I think we missed our turn. It's probably for the best because it's getting dark and it would have probably taken us a little bit out of our way. Next time. I really like this walk. I definitely want to come back and do it again.
It's very nice.
There's quite a lot to see. It's quite nice. It's quite easy. You go from this main path, the Monsal Trail, and there's like so many different trails coming off it. Like obviously we did the Chee Dale Stepping Stones,
Yeah.
but I think there's loads that you can do. Oh wow, look at that down there. Like a waterfall or torrent or something. Wow. Exactly, there's another thing you can have a look at, a little village down there. And the weather's coming in a bit more windy, a bit colder. This is our exit. It's going to take us down there to cross the bridge. There is the bridge. Jump across here, head down there, and then straight up and back to the car and Monsal Head village. So we've been blessed with this nice steep incline on the way back, final stretch. And there's the viaduct. That was the Monsal Trail through there. That's a little bridge we just came on. Final few steps. And what a view. That's what we did. We went down that way at the start, all the way down that valley, up there onto the Monsal Trail, all the way through.
And that's the end.
That was good. That is the end. Oh, hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you're going to give it a try.
Yeah.
Oh, and it would be a massive favour if you could like, subscribe, and maybe comment if you're going to do the hike.
Let us know if you really like what we're doing.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe is a guidance for us to know that what we're doing is to everyone is liking.
Yeah, it's massive help for us. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.